Anong pain ang gusto natin? Pain of discipline o pain of regrets? Nung ako ay nasa basketball coaching staff, sabi ng kasamang kong trainer, hindi madaling maging malakas, pero masarap ang maging malakas. Kaya I do training every day. Ano ang pagkakaiba ng pain of discipline sa pain of regrets? Pain of discipline, ito yung mahirap gawin pero dapat kong gawin. Pain of regrets, ito yung dapat kong ginawa pero hindi ko ginawa. If we want to become healthy and wealthy, we need to discipline even 1 minute every day. Kung gusto nating maging healthy, kinakailangan ang discipline na kahit mahirap dapat nating para pagdating ng panahon, hindi tayo pagkakaroon ng regrets na hindi ko ito ginawa. Kaya ngayon hindi ako healthy. If we want to become wealthy, kinakailangan i-discipline ko ang sarili ko na gawin ko ang activity every day. Ngayon, para pagdating ng panahon ay hindi ako magre-regrets. If you want to become healthy and wealthy, we need an environment to influence us to do it every day.